morning. I'd like to talk today about doing aromatic hand massage. The aromatic hand massage is something you and everyone can do, and you can teach people around you to do. It is much easier than doing a normal massage. I actually have a friend who taught her daughter's class or preschool class how to do the hand massages for their mothers for Mother's Day, because it helps through the hand reflexes. We're working on the hands, so it helps to relax, it helps to stimulate, depends what oil you're using, it helps to take away aches and pains by working just a few little things. It is a very simple massage, and it's something you can do anywhere and anytime. I also have used it around Christmas time with family when we got together to actually have more one-on-one time, because it is so easy to talk but not connect. So doing the hand massage for me is not just supporting the person, but is actually connecting on a one-to-one level. And I think at this time in our life, this is very important. So I will demonstrate the hand massage on one of your hands, Sandra. So we use this hand. So first and almost we would choose an oil. Today we chose Arbor Vitae because Sandra loves Arbor Vitae, but it is also an antiviral, antibacterial oil, and it also deters mosquitoes and insects. So it's a fantastic oil. It is an oil of a very big tree. It comes from, I think, British Columbia or Canada. So the way I would use this, I would use 1 drop and a bit of hand lotion to dilute it. Or you could use fractionated coconut oil, but we're today just gonna use the hand lotion. So I'm gonna put 1 drop in, or 2, 1 drop, goes a long way.
It does.
And a tiny bit of hand lotion, which is unscented. And so first and almost we're rubbing it into the palm of the hand, and then we turn the hand over, and we're always supporting the hand by putting our hands underneath it, and we just go across nice and gently. So the pressure will be firm but gentle, and just spreading to the beginning, and we're repeating that 3 times all together. Twice, giving it as much as actually receiving, and you could actually do it but after. So then we turn the hand around, and we have 3 zones. So we have the zone around the thumb, we have the zone on the opposite side of the palm, and then we have the thin zone underneath where the fingers join the hand. So this one, the first one, we do little circles in opposite way. This is just stimulating the area and loosening up. How's the pressure?
Perfect.
So you can do that 3 times as well. Round and round we go. It's just loosening up and making sure the person you're massaging is relaxed. Then we go to zone number 2, which is on the opposite side. So it doesn't need a lot of pressure, but it is okay to be firm. And obviously you would double check if you're doing it with small people, because you can do that on even the smallest baby. Obviously you would dilute the oil, you choose much more specific for their age group and need. And especially old people. A lot of old people have problems in their hands, so it's actually good to use an oil which then would support their needs at the moment. Or an emotional oils, because there's so much of this going around, just to help people cope a bit better. Then the next things is the 5 zones of each finger, so all the way from the bottom of the palm up. Just showing where the zones are. And we do a sun walk. Again, you're supporting the hand, and so you're putting the first thumb down and then the second one, and you follow, and you just follow it. So it's like you go step, 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 and you do that 3 times on each zone. Remembering it's not a race, it is just you spending time with the person and supporting them in their journey and where they are at. Yes, sometimes it seems to be easy to think you're going to go faster, but you actually get the better results going nice and slowly. So it is step, 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 step.
And I feel a real warmth coming into my hand.
Perfect.
Yeah, it feels beautiful.
So it helps the circulation in the body through the hand. Because remembering that the extremities is especially going towards autumn and winter, you will get cold hands if you don't have a good circulation. So this will also help to support the circulation through the hands and then through the body that way. So I found that the Aroma Touch hand massage is absolutely fantastic, because you can do it wherever you are. And if you haven't got the oils with you, but you have the rose hand lotion or one of the specific just a normal hand lotion or body lotion, if you haven't got any oils, it still will work.
Yeah.
And it still will help the person to connect, and it still will help the person to relax. And it'll be very interesting to see how you actually will feel the difference between your 2 hands when we're finished with that. So it has 1, 2, I think 5 or 6 parts to the whole hand massage. There is the printout if people are interested to get that afterwards, so they can follow it themselves.
Yeah, that's a great idea.
I think there might be even on the Doterra's website a video about how to do it if you want to actually see it again, so you can follow it. For things, so the next bit would be the interphalangeal pull. So this is the bits between the fingers where you're just pulling like that, and I'm gonna just show you how we're doing it. So you're putting 1 finger underneath and 1 finger on top, and you just pull, and that can be a little bit firmer than the massage, but always double check with the person you're actually working with, because we're also different. And sometimes we're a lot more sensitive than other days. And again, if you remember 3 times. And then we do a pull as well on the finger, where we're just pulling from the bottom to the top, nice and gently. Always, so then we put our hand on their hand and we turn it over and we just hold it for a minute.